Osaka, Japan's dynamic heart where the past meets the future. From irresistible street eats to iconic sites and lively districts, Osaka promises an adventure like no other. Here are the 12 unique things to do in Osaka, Japan. Number 12. Explore Dotonbori at night. Dotonbori is Osaka's electrifying nightlife hub. This iconic district is a feast for the senses, bursting with vibrant neon lights, bustling streets, and mouth-watering aromas. Stroll down the famous Dotonbori Street, where giant 3D signs like the Glico Running Man and the Kani Doraku Crab beckon you. No entrance fee here, just dive into the excitement. What can you do? Snap selfies with the neon giants, catch a mesmerizing street performance, or hop on a Tombori River cruise for a unique view of the dazzling lights. Hungry? Savor Osaka's local delights like takoyaki or octopus balls, okonomiyaki or savory pancakes, and kushikatsu or deep-fried skewers from countless street vendors and eateries. For a touch of history, visit the nearby Henji Temple, where you can experience a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos. Number 11. Visit Sumashi Taisha. Discover the spiritual heart of Osaka at Sumashi Taisha, one of Japan's oldest and most revered Shinto shrines. Nestled in a serene setting, this historic site dates back to the 3rd century and is known for its unique Sumashi Zukuri architecture. The best part? Entry is free. Wander through the tranquil grounds, crossing the iconic Sorihashi Bridge, which offers picturesque views perfect for your Instagram feed. Explore the main shrine buildings, adorned with intricate wood carvings and vibrant colors, showcasing traditional Japanese craftsmanship. Feeling peckish? Nearby food stalls serve up local favorites like taiyaki, fish-shaped pastries, and mitarashi dango, sweet rice dumplings. For nature lovers, the surrounding Sumashi Park provides a peaceful escape with lush greenery and scenic walking paths. Immerse yourself in cultural rituals, from traditional Shinto ceremonies to seasonal festivals that bring the shrine to life. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Number 10. Wander through Hozenji Yokocho Alley. Hozenji Yokocho Alley is a hidden treasure in Osaka's bustling Minami district. This narrow, stone-paved alleyway, lit by traditional lanterns, offers a nostalgic journey into old Japan. Stroll through the alley and visit the serene Hozenji Temple, famous for its moss-covered Fudo-Mao statue. Participate in the unique water splashing ritual for good luck. The alley is lined with over 60 traditional shops and restaurants, perfect for exploring. Indulge in local delicacies like okonomiyaki and kushikatsu at cozy eateries. Don't miss the intimate izakayas for a true taste of Osaka's nightlife. For nature lovers, the nearby Namba Parks offers lush greenery and scenic walking paths. Immerse yourself in cultural experiences with traditional Shinto ceremonies and seasonal festivals. Number 9. Enjoy Nakanoshima Fishing Port. Dive into the vibrant atmosphere of Nakanoshima Fishing Port in Osaka, a hidden gem along the Ajigawa River. This bustling seafood market is a paradise for food lovers and offers a unique, off-the-beaten-path experience. Explore the market's lively stalls filled with fresh catches from Japan's waters. Watch as skilled fishmongers prepare seafood right before your eyes. The port also features a barbecue rental service for just 300 yen, where you can grill your own seafood feast. Indulge in local delicacies like sashimi, grilled squid, and tempura. Enjoy the serene riverside setting, perfect for a relaxing stroll. For a deeper cultural experience, visit the nearby Nakanoshima Park, home to beautiful rose gardens and scenic walking paths. Number 8. Take an Osaka Pirate Dinner Cruise. Set sail on an unforgettable adventure with the Osaka Pirate Dinner Cruise. This unique experience combines stunning city views with delicious cuisine, all aboard a pirate-themed ship. The cruise lasts approximately 90 minutes and costs around 6,000 yen per person, including a sumptuous dinner. As you glide along the Osaka Bay, marvel at iconic landmarks like the Osaka Aquarium Kayuka and the Temposen Ferris wheel, beautifully illuminated at night. The ship's lively pirate crew entertains with fun performances and interactive activities, making it a perfect outing for families and friends. Feast on a variety of local delicacies, from fresh sushi and sashimi to savory yakitori and takoyaki. The menu showcases the best of Osaka's renowned food scene. For nature lovers, the serene waters and city skyline create a picturesque backdrop. Number 7. Walk through Sakura no Toryuke. Stroll through the enchanting Sakura no Toryuke in Osaka, a breathtaking cherry blossom tunnel that comes alive each spring. Located at the Japan Mint, this stunning walkway is open to the public for just 1 week in mid-April. As you wander through the tunnel, you'll be surrounded by over 300 cherry trees, showcasing more than 100 varieties of sakura in full bloom. The vibrant pink and white blossoms create a magical canopy, perfect for capturing unforgettable photos. The festival atmosphere includes food stalls offering local treats like takoyaki, fish-shaped pastries, and sakura-themed sweets. For nature lovers, the nearby Kyoto Riverside Lane provides a peaceful escape with lush greenery and scenic views. Number 6. Visit Kayuka Aquarium. Dive into an underwater adventure at the Kayuka Aquarium, one of the largest and most impressive aquariums in the world. Located in the bustling Temposen Harbor Village, this must-visit attraction offers a mesmerizing journey through diverse marine habitats. Admission is 2,700 yen for adults, 1,400 yen for children, and 700 yen for toddlers. Explore the massive central tank, home to a majestic whale shark, the aquarium's star attraction. Wander through immersive exhibits showcasing marine life from the Pacific Ocean, Antarctica, and the Great Barrier Reef. Don't miss the playful sea otters, graceful jellyfish, and vibrant coral reefs. After your aquatic adventure, indulge in local delicacies at nearby Temposen Marketplace, where you can savor fresh sushi, takoyaki, and other Osaka favorites. For nature lovers, the adjacent Temposen Park offers a tranquil escape with lush greenery and scenic views. Number 5. Photograph Namba Shrine. Capture the awe-inspiring beauty of Namba Shrine, a hidden gem known for its unique and imposing lion head-shaped stage. Located just a short walk from Namba Station, this shrine offers free entry and a perfect blend of cultural and photographic opportunities. The main attraction is the massive lion head structure, standing 12 meters high and 11 meters wide. Legend has it that the lion's mouth swallows evil spirits and brings good fortune. This makes for a striking photo backdrop, especially during the golden hours of sunrise and sunset. Explore the serene shrine grounds, where you can witness traditional Shinto rituals and seasonal festivals. Nearby, indulge in Osaka's famous street food like takoyaki and okonomiyaki at local eateries. For a touch of nature, visit the nearby Namba Parks, a lush urban oasis with terraced gardens and scenic walking paths. Number 4. Stroll through Amerikamura, or the American Village. Located near Shinsabashi Station, this trendy neighborhood offers a unique blend of American and Japanese cultures. Wander through streets adorned with colorful street art and eclectic boutiques selling everything from vintage clothing to quirky accessories. The heart of Amerikamura is Sangaku Tower, a triangular park where locals gather to showcase their unique styles and talents. Indulge in a variety of international and local cuisines, from American-style burgers and pizzas to Osaka's famous takoyaki and okonomiyaki. For a sweet treat, don't miss the rainbow-colored crepes and bubble tea shops dotting the area. Amerikamura is also a hub for nightlife, featuring hip bars, live music venues, and nightclubs. For those seeking a cultural experience, visit the small galleries and pop-up shops showcasing local artists. Number 3. Create custom noodles at Cup Noodles Museum Osaka Ikeda. Unleash your creativity at the Cup Noodles Museum Osaka Ikeda, where you can design your own custom cup noodles. Located just a short walk from Ikeda Station, this interactive museum offers free entry, but creating your personalized noodles costs 400 yen. Step into a world of innovation and fun as you explore the history of instant noodles and their inventor, Momofuku Ando. The highlight of your visit will be the My Cup Noodles factory, where you can design your own cup, choose your favorite broth, and select from a variety of toppings to create a one-of-a-kind meal. The museum also features engaging exhibits, including a life-sized replica of Ando's work shed and a timeline of noodle history. For a sweet treat, visit the Chicken Ramen factory to make your own ramen from scratch. Afterward, explore the charming Ikeda neighborhood, known for its tranquil parks and local eateries serving delicious Osaka cuisine. The Cup Noodles Museum offers a unique blend of education, culinary fun, and cultural immersion, making it a perfect stop for families, friends, and food enthusiasts. Number 2. Explore Shinsekai and Sutengaku Tower. Step into the nostalgic charm of Shinsekai and marvel at the iconic Sutengaku Tower, a vibrant district that blends retro vibes with modern attractions. Located near Tennoji Park, this area offers a unique glimpse into Osaka's past and present. Start your adventure by ascending Sutengaku Tower, a 100-meter tall symbol of the area, for just 800 yen. Enjoy panoramic views of the city from the observation deck. Don't miss the Billiken statue, the god of happiness, where you can rub its feet for good luck. Wander through the bustling streets of Shinsekai, lined with colorful shops, arcades, and eateries. Savor local delicacies like kushikatsu and takoyaki from the many street vendors and restaurants. Explore the quirky Janjan Yokoko Alley, filled with retro gaming arcades and old-school charm. For a touch of nature, visit the nearby Tennoji Zoo and Park, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the urban hustle. Number 1. Visit Osaka Castle and Park. Begin your journey by exploring the Grand Osaka Castle, a symbol of the city's resilience and heritage. For a small fee of 600 yen, step inside to visit the museum, where you can delve into the castle's storied past and enjoy panoramic views from the observation deck. Stroll through the expansive Osaka Castle Park, a serene oasis featuring lush gardens, scenic ponds, and over 600 cherry trees that bloom spectacularly in spring. Don't miss the Nishinamaru Garden, a picturesque spot perfect for a leisurely picnic or a peaceful walk. Indulge in local cuisine at nearby stalls and restaurants offering Osaka's famous takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and other delicious treats. For a unique cultural experience, visit during one of the seasonal festivals, where you can enjoy traditional performances and vibrant markets. We hope this list will help you. Please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you.